are the last of the monsoon rains. Soon it'll be clear and dry. G'day Sailing into Freedom fans. It's another fun-filled episode with not much fun and certainly not filled. It's a bit of a bitsy episode. We're waiting on gear, waiting on some stuff that's actually getting made. We still got a lot of behind the scenes sort of stuff trying to sort that out. Nothing to whinge about, and if we did, well, who would listen? And, you know, Sailing into Freedom, we'll get through Sailing into Freedom. But let's start on a positive note. Let's go to...
Guess who's coming back to Sailing into Freedom, everybody? I wonder. See you all in 2025.
Now, I must confess it's my fault, because I did say to Lisa, can you do a short video? And hence it's a short video. Maybe we should take another look at that.
Guess who's coming back to Sailing into Freedom, everybody? I wonder. See you all in 2025.
I did a video a week ago, 8-9 days ago, sent it out to patrons, and I actually was just starting to get sick then. Now it's 8 days of this, oh, you wouldn't believe it. Feels like the very first COVID, you know, when I told everyone I lost all the skin off my back, or I felt like I'd been filleted off my back, and just a complete ache all over. Except this time I think it's more on my chest, I'm coughing more, so I don't think it's COVID. I didn't go check it out, I didn't go to the hospital. I'm going to let my body sort it out as, well, I was going to say as God intended, but maybe God intended some other thing, because this has gone on for too long as it is. Sorry people, just barfing up a lung. Check out how cheerful I was. G'day Sailing into Freedom fans. It's another fun-filled episode. That was probably 10-12 days ago. Not so cheerful now. So basically no sleep for 5 or 6 days. Ate, half a carrot, maybe 10 oranges. 8 days later, almost there. I think it was 9 or 10 days before I relapsed, when I had to save the boat when we had that unforeseen storm and it threw me up on the reef. But we don't have to go into that. But it's good news that Lisa's coming. Oh, excuse me. Good news. Lisa's coming back. Pity the far out, barfing up 2 lungs. Hopefully next week I'll be in better spirits, and if not, well, maybe I'll be dead. No, I won't be, people. It's going to take a lot to kill me. I mean, if anything was going to kill me, it was going to be the customs. Yeah, we're still going through that. How are you? This is my work colleague, Nhi. And that's what I thought I said. Australians can't enunciate to save our lives, good people. I'm helping her with English. A little bit. These chopsticks are hard to use. It's going to take a long time, people. Crispy squid. Oh, so good. And then I found the mother load of crispy squid at the next table. Is Mr. Hong? Mr. Hay? Mr. Tay? Mr. Tung? I don't know that guy. Beautiful Wendy. Wendy helps me whenever I have a problem.
Này là đang quay mà. Nhớ hả?
Em ơi! Fair enough, people. Why aren't you high by yowing?
4, 5, 6.
We're both not drinking.
4, 5.
Oh, come on, girls. It's way bigger than that. Oh, we've got a group of people. Why don't you sing me a beautiful song, Mr. Tong? Everyone knows Mr. Tong.
Yeah. I think
So?
the soul guy.
It's the soul guy.
Yes.
What are we eating here, Mr. Tung?
Alcano soup of fish.
Soup
I
of
like
fish.
it so much. It's very delicious.
Yeah, it is. It's actually very good. Mr. Tung has had a few shandies today, so he's feeling good.
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
This is Mr. Calm from Bar Song. And Mr. who? Oh, that's right, Mr. Juan.
From Chile.
And he's going to be machining some stuff for me. Okay, guys, start singing.
No, I cannot sing. I'm so sorry.
Not enough beer, I think so.
No, nothing.
He have a not enough beer. He want more beer before he want to talk to you.
The last time I saw Mr. Tung, they absolutely love karaoke round here, but now it's time for the cutting, grinding and welding show. We have the stern pipe going in on the starboard side. We need to cut the keel out. Big job since it's 20mm thick and 120mm high. The Gofundme campaign is in its 26th week and we are more than 75% of the way towards our goal. That's including PayPal donations. So who's going up onto the champions column of the column of heroes? We have Darren Ellerman for the umpteenth time. We have Robert Murphy for the third time. We have David Peck for the fourth time. Peter Hutchinson for the second time. And Mark Sutherland for the upteenth time. For some reason, I cannot do proper searches on my PayPal, so I cannot check, but Mark has been supporting the channel for years. And finally, we have Scott Tromp for the seventh time, and he's already up on the column of heroes. So who's going to be drawn on the boat? Well, we have Bard Matheson for the second time and Marcus Schmidt also for the second time. Thank you all good people for supporting the Elcano World Challenge.